Happy MetroTurf MMTCI Wednesday Racing, April 29, 2026. Meron hinandang 7 races at start time po is 5:30 p.m. Meron tayo ngayong isang set ng pick 6, dalawang set ng pick 5, at isang set ng pick 4 at limpak-limpak na carry-over. Good luck mga bayang karerista. Let's G! Race number 1, start ng first pick 5 covers races 1 to 5. Carry over dito ng pick 5 at pentafecta. 3-year-old and above maiden race placers. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 13 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is si entry number 7 Alapaap. Jockey is RD Raquel. Napupunto ng Manalo. Second choice niya is entry number 5 Edge of Glory. Jockey is RJC Tabor. Cambio Jinete, baka makapanalo. Third choice niya is entry number 13 Succeed. Jockey is CS Pare. Kapag maganda ang gising, magandang pangdehado. So dito sa race number 1, ito ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 7, Alapaap. Second choice is entry number 5, Edge of Glory. And sinama niya yung dehadong third choice, entry number 13, Succeed. Race number 2, start ng pick 6 covers, races 2 to 7. Carry over naman dito ng pick 6 at super 6. Philracom rating-based handicap system, race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 11 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is si entry number 7, Shining Thunder. Jockey is RC Simasio. Isang matulis na remate lang daw ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider. Second choice is entry number 5, Amberdini Eagle. Jockey is Jim L. Ciego. Ito na ang pagkakataon. Third choice is entry number 11, Believe in Me. Jockey is CP Henson. Ang sabi ni Carrera Outsider, tiwala lang daw. So dito sa race number 2, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice is entry number 7, Shining Thunder. Second choice is entry number 5, Amberdini Eagle. And third choice is entry number 11, Believe in Me. Race number 3, start ng second pick 5 covers races 3 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system, race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 7, Mahusayay. Rerindahan ni Jockey PM Caballejo. Lamang ng bahagya sa laban. Second choice is entry number 4, Darna. Jockey is JG Serrano. Baka daw magpasulyap ng mga tahla. Third choice is entry number 2, Malabon King. Jockey is RC Tahbor. Baka mapabor ang karera. So dito sa race number 3, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 7, Mahusayay. Second choice is entry number 4, Darna. And third choice is entry number 2, Malabon King. Race number 4, start ng pick 4 covers, races 4 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class, 5:17 to 41 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron 11 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 9, Barekna. Jockey is JB Bakaykay. Ang sabi lang ni Carrera Outsider is tama na yan, inuman na. Second choice is entry number 10, Take a Chance. Jockey is JC De La Cruz. Malaki ang tsansa manalo. Third choice is entry number 6, Live Like an Angel. Jockey is AP Peñaflor. Pansama daw. So dito sa race number 4, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya is entry number 9, Barekna. Second choice is entry number 10, Take a Chance. And third choice is entry number 6, Live Like an Angel. Race number 5, last extra double at daily double plus 1 covers races 5 to 7. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 357 to 70 bracket. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 14 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 11 Usir. Jockey is JB Hernandez. Napakainam ng nakaraang takbo, pwedeng panolo. Second choice is entry number 13, Petit Fusil. Jockey is J.A. Pastoral, baka makachamba. Third choice is entry number 10, Miss Ocala. Jockey is C.S. Pare. Kursunadang dehado lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. So dito sa race number 5, ang mga pili naman ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice niya is entry number 11, Usir. Second choice naman is entry number 13, Petit Fusil. And third choice is entry number 10, Miss Ocala. Race number 6, penultimate race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class for 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 12 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 5, Mangantana. Jockey is R.D. Raquel. Lamang sa laban. Second choice is entry number 12, Kai. Jockey is G.L. Shego Jr. Baka maglabas na ng totoong potential. Third choice is entry number 7, Stripe of Pink. Jockey is J.D. Huko. Baka makachamba. So dito sa race number 6, ang mga kursunada ni Carrera Outsider dito. First choice is entry number 5, Mangantana. Second choice is entry number 12, Kai. And third choice is entry number 7, Stripe of Pink. Race number 7, last and final race. Philracom rating-based handicap system race class 4, 42 to 56 split. Distance is 1,400 meters. Meron ditong 14 entries. First choice ni Carrera Outsider is entry number 10, Love Ko To. Jockey is JB Bakaykay. Kursunada lang daw ni Carrera Outsider. Second choice is entry number 11, Feel the Burn. Jockey is PR Dilemma. Pinapatok ng bayang karerista. Third choice is entry number 12, Freedom Lover. Jockey is JT Pabilik, pangsama sa kursunada. So dito sa race number 7, ang mga kursunada at napupusuan ni Carrera Outsider. First choice niya dito is entry number 10, Love Ko To. Second choice is entry number 11, Feel the Burn. And third choice is entry number 12, Freedom Lover.